Hey guys, want to get on here and show you a few things and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. I wanted to show you a couple things that I really like that I've used. These are the by Spa Life foot sakis, and they're spearmint and tree oil. And if you want a little mask for your feet, you will love these. I ordered them on Amazon, so just go on and say Foot Sakis by Spa Life. You will love them. I do these about once a week, and that's just me because I go barefooted a lot, especially in the house. So these Foot Sakis are great, and I love them. So, in between your pedicures, or if you don't have pedicures, try them. You're going to love them. Second of all, I wanted to show you this, something to eat. Of course, I have to show you something to eat, right? These are from Costco, and I'm sure they probably have them in the grocery stores. I've never even checked it out. It's in the refrigerated side. This is turkey and spinach lasagna, and it's turkey raised without use of antibiotics. Y'all, this is so good. The container is, it says it serves 7 servings, but we served 8 in it, and the way I cut it up was like it would serve 8. But let me tell you something, this is delicious, and if you like turkey, you like spinach, you like lasagna, you're gonna like it, and it's just very good. You can microwave it. I did not do that. You just take it out of the package, the plastic around the outside. On the top is a film, and you just cut a slit across, and you bake it for 350, and for about 35 minutes, and it's done. Y'all, if you haven't tried it, I'm serious. I really do think you'll like it. Now, sometimes when we get these things, we look at the sodium on it. Oh, the sodium's so high, blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you something. If you eat things in moderation, and don't eat half the carton, just do moderation. Now, we had a salad with this. I got some lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, and did I put anything else in it? Nope. And just threw that together, had a real chunky salad with this. A great meal. What you think? I always make my own lasagna, but when I find something that someone else has made and this good, I'll get it again. I promise. Next of all, I'm pretty sure I've showed you this before, but this is the Atkins. This is the dark chocolate royale. It doesn't have as much protein as my other ones that I use. It's usually 30 grams of protein, but if you like dark chocolate, you're going to like this. I put it in the freezer about 5 to 10 minutes before I drink it, so it's real cold. Try that. I think you'll like that too. One more thing I want to show you to do. Okay, this is my mom's dryer. When she passed away, we were going through her things, and this was her dryer she used every day. And I got it. I love it. I love it. But let me show you how. You know how you put things, I mean, it's not expensive. It's not expensive. It's a Conair gel grip. And if you've got an older mom, dad, whoever, but this gel grip, you can hold it better. They can hold it better as you get older. I don't know if she got it for that or she just loved the color or what. But anyway, when you have it unplugged, let me show you the best way. I was shown to do this. Ooh, I was probably in my 20s. But how you do this, this is not all up in a drawer and everything, unless you've got one of those little windy things, which I might check those out and do a review on them. But I take this, I hold it by the big part, like this, and I wrap it this way, just around. Now, most of you probably know already how to do this. But I wrap it and put it in my drawer like this. I never have to worry about finding which one goes to which, but just wrap it. Hold the big part and just wrap it. Just a little tip. Okay, on your daily dose of encouragement, today is a great day to be the best day you can have. If you have some things going on and you think, oh, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? It'll all work out. It seems like the night before something happens, you always think about, what am I going to do about that situation? But remember, it'll all be okay. Go in with a positive attitude, and I promise you, it will be okay. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you, and I'm sending you a hug. I sure hope you feel it.